welcome back to my channel again. So today's video is basically just going to be me getting ready. I realized that the last time I uploaded one makeup video was from Kazakhstan. After that I have not got any time to shoot. So in today's video I'm just thinking of doing a very therapeutic makeup. I'm not going anywhere, I'm just home. Maybe I'll use some new products that I have. So anyway, without wasting any time, let me get started. I'll quickly go and wash my face and then start my small skincare and makeup. So I've just washed my face. I feel so good. I feel so fresh. I'm looking so funny. So now I'll go in with my moisturizer. This is a new moisturizer that I have added to my collection, and honestly speaking, I'm really loving this. This is the Formula X Peptide Ceramide Moisturizer Barrier Plus. I have eczema, so because of that I have to really protect my skin barrier, and I think this really helps with that. Yeah, so that's done. Now I will quickly apply my eye patches. This is the Dot & Key eye patches. Okay, they are done. You know, there is no wrong and right way to apply your eye patches. You can apply your eye patches the other way around also, depending on your preference and the area that you want to cover. So I will take this out after 10 minutes. So let me come back after 10 minutes. Let me take them off. Honestly speaking, these eye patches make no big difference. It just hydrates. So yeah. Now let's go ahead with the makeup. Okay, so I want to start with a foundation. Today let's try this sample foundation that I got from this Armani event. This is called the Giorgio Armani Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation. I don't even know if the shade is my shade, but let's just try. I've taken my sponge. I've washed it and I have kept it wet because I like to apply my foundation and anything with a wet sponge. Oh my god, that's a lot. Can you see the difference? I think the shade is fine. It does have some glow in it. So this is my real skin and this is with the foundation. Nice. Oh my god, it's gonna rain. I wish I could show you outside. It's so windy and the sky is getting dark. I love this. I love the rain if I'm at home. Babe, can you see the sky? Okay, so the foundation is done and today I want to start my makeup with my lips. So I want to do my lipstick first and then go ahead with the other face makeup. I don't know why, it sounds very wacky. I might mess it up or it might turn out to be good. You and me will see for the first time. Dekhte. So I will then go with Midtown Pink. This is the Maybelline Creamy Matte. I know it's called pink, but this becomes very nudish on my lips. You know, every color is different in everybody's lips. I think I should apply some lip liner. This lip liner is from Mars and this is in the shade Exotic Brown. Actually became orange because of my lip liner, but not bad. Okay, now let's start with the face makeup. Okay, eyebrows done. Today I'm thinking of not going with like a black eyeliner that I usually do. I want to keep it very subtle, so I'm thinking of going with a brown eyeliner. This is actually a lip liner. This is a very dark brown lip liner which doesn't go with my lips. So I usually use it on my eyes and I'm going to do that today. That's how the brown liner is looking, and I don't have any here. So that's how the eyeliner or whatever kajal is looking like. Just a little bit. So that was eyes. Now let me apply some mascara. This is the Mars ka mascara. I will not apply much. I'll just do a little bit because I'm home. Okay. Now blush! Okay, so I think whoever follows me from the beginning must have seen me talking about these blushes. This is the SheGlam blush. I love this blush. This is the shade Swipe Right. ये मेरी lips के साथ जाएगा. So I like to do my blush below my eyes, but I'm thinking कि आज मैं वो trick भी try करूँगी जहाँ पे आप blush से ही contour करते हो. So I'm going to do a lot of blush today. Let's see. So here is one dot. And here it can be 2 dots, and here can be 1 dot. Blush blindness. Sometimes what I do is when the blush is too much, I just take the extra blush here, like that. So that's how the blush is looking. Let's do this. I think blush is the best invention anyone has made. So you usually apply it here so that it doesn't look uneven on your face. So आप यहाँ भी ले जाते हो थोड़ा सा. आप actually यहाँ भी ले जाते हो, पर मैं यहाँ ज़्यादा नहीं करती. मैं नाक पे और cheeks पे और यहाँ पे और मेरे आँखों पे. I think I'm done. This is my basic makeup. Like, this is it. So I have been wanting to color my hair since forever, but I am not able to figure out कौन सा hair color मैं try करूँ. Sometimes I feel I want to go all blonde, and sometimes I feel like I just want to stay black. I'm very confused. If you guys have any recommendation for my hair and the color I should get, especially with this skin tone. Anyway, so this was my makeup session. I hope you liked it. I hope you had fun. I really had fun. I don't do these kind of videos because I'm usually very lazy to do any kind of makeup, but आज अच्छा लगा ये करके. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and shower some love in the comment section.